Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, get ready for a step-by-step tutorial for a Loft Tool Deep Dive and develop a parametric bench seating in Rhino 3D. To start with, we will set up the front viewport and turn of the grid in the Display tab. Now select the NURBS Curve tool in the left toolbox. Make a desired section of the bench seating in the Rhino viewport by adding as many curve points, which can give you an accurate detail and options for editing on the later part. The more the points, the better the accuracy. Close the command by pressing the Enter key. Now change the viewport to perspective mode and make copies using and holding the Alt key. Now drag the object in the direction you want to make copies in. Move and arrange the copies as per the choice and design requirements. Click on the curve you want to edit, turn on the command points on, or use the shortcut F10 key. Now move the curve points as per the requirements to make adjustments. Turn on the record history found on the bottom tray of the viewport. Use the Loft command to turn the curves into a NURBS surface. Select the curves in the specific order of their placement. Once the curves are selected, a Loft Options dialog box appears on the screen. Now you can adjust and do trials with different settings options and check the preview simultaneously. Check different options and set the one which suits you the best. Since we had turned on the record history, you can still tweak the curves as per changes. It will be reflected on the surface output. As you can see in this video, I am trying to tweak a few points to change the final output surface. Disclaimer: make sure while editing you do not move or shift the surface, or the record history will break and the linking won't work. Tips and trick. Once the curve editing is done, I always use rebuild command to change the number of control points for a curve. If you have the same number of control points on all the curves that are going to be lofted, it gives a smoother look. These are some of the final touch-ups that are required for our parametric bench. Turn on the turntable command to have a 360-degree view of the parametric bench. Thanks for watching. If you want more such updates and tips and tricks on Rhino 3D software, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.